we're gonna see just how strong these sockets are. We're gonna send it on this bolt and see what fails first. What's up guys, Freddy with Poor Man Mods. I just got a bunch of sockets from Olsa Tools and I wanted to show you them. I got an SAE, their deep 1/4 inch and their shallow 3/8, and then in metric I got their deep 1/2 inch sockets. These sockets are absolutely gorgeous, and let me tell you why I love them so much. These are affordable tool truck quality sockets that exceed ASME standards for professional grade strength and feature very easy to see stampings that will never wear or fade, and the sets come with all the commonly used sockets that you'll need. Now I'm going to make some people cringe at this, but it's in the name of science. Now you're not supposed to put chrome sockets on an impact. That's what impact sockets are for, but we're going to see just how strong these sockets are. This is the Olsa Tools 11/16 3/8 socket with a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. Then I have on my Milwaukee M12 with a full battery. We're gonna send it on this bolt and see what fails first. Safety first. Absolutely no damage to the socket whatsoever. This wasn't even the right size socket for the bolt. This was a metric bolt. So, yeah. Olsa Tools for the win. Can't go wrong.